On this team, we tear ourselves and everyone else around us to pieces for that inch. We claw with our fingernails for that inch. Because we know when we add up all those inches, that's gonna make the difference between winning and losing.
Taking his game to another level. Explosive guard in his first All-Star game from the Oklahoma Thunder, Shai Gilgeous Alexander.
Shai Gilgeous Alexander. SGA. Congrats. First-time All-Star. Fourth player from Canada to be an All-Star.
King Killer, man, y'all know how we shorty. Black Michael Jackson, Hood Jeff Hardy, shorty.
Whoa, Zach in this bitch. Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa.
Hey. Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah.
Hey. Okay. Hey. Want some money, go bet on the Lakers. Had a heart, but now getting paper. Indiana plugs, sending me paces. Got fan clips full of them traces. She fell in love with me. Gary Payton keep me a glove with me. Them demons, they try to keep hugging me. Not knowing I keep me a glove with me. Born in the trenches, they raised a kid. Pull up, shot, you came with a kick. Fish scale all in the basement. For the gang, I'll leave you pavement. All black gon' be the uniform. Dr. Williams say I'm torn. Twitter say I was 1 year old in the crib practicing my form. She told me what she doing for a Klondike. And my music make her eyes bright. Take a trip, go beyond the sky. And tell you when the doves cry. I'ma let my soul fly. Ay, go to war, I'm ready to ride. Ay, I'ma let my soul fly. Go to war and I'll survive. Ay, what I say? Lawyers, they ain't talking about shit. They'll follow, take the lead. 116 from rapping, throwing up L's, you know what I bleed. Can't no money get you out, you gotta do your time. And I'ma go harder every day, run through that finish line. Ay, jump off the ledge, no bungee. KTM, she calling me Dougie. Pockets getting fat, them getting pudgy. This contact name is Mungie. I keep it a stick with a nickel. Phone neck, keep it official. Pop ass chicken sandwich, I ain't eating no pickles. KIA, my favorite initials. Ay, want some money, go bet on the Lakers. Had a heart, but now I'm in paper. Indiana plugs, sending me paces. Got big clips full of them traces. She fell in love with me. Gary Payton keep me a glove with me. Them demons, they try to keep hugging me. Not knowing I keep me a club with me. Born in the trenches, they raised a kid. Bump up, shot, you came with a kick. Fish scale all in the basement. For the gang, I'll leave you pavement. All black gon' be the uniform. Dr. Williams say I'm torn. Twitter say I was 1 year old in the crib practicing my form. Want some money, go bet on the Lakers. Had a heart, but now I'm getting paper. Indiana plugs, sending me paces. Got big clips full of them traces. She fell in love with me. Gary Payton keep me a glove with me. Them demons, they try to keep hugging me. Not knowing I keep me a club with me. Born in the trenches, they raised a kid. Whoop up, shot, you came with a kick. Fish scale all in the basement. For the gang, I'll leave you King Killer, man, we bumming shorty. Black Michael Jackson, Hood Jeff Hardy. Hey, hey. 2 studio sessions, one day shorty, I'm back and different. I got 6 songs for 3 hours, but I'm still fishing. I put some lotion on my hands, fingers still itching. Play with us if you want, just know we keep a Scottie Pippen. Y'all ran up in this bitch, I ain't no laugh with it. Ain't the Bee Gees, cause you know I'm laugh with it. I'm a fan, baby, you can see me count the 5 with it. Shout out to my daddy, he ain't till he bonafide with it. I told my brother, drop his music, we might die tomorrow. I told 12, I like my privacy, 5% on my cars. I'm aiming for the moon, head said I hit the star. Somebody found a bed, ain't trying to heal internal scar. Look, Yanni, I'm gon' strike, I'ma keep a hard mic. And I'm tired of being nice, she beat my hair just like some life. Cut it quick like a cancer, fell in love with a dancer. She fell in love with a scammer, but the money ain't the answer. Looked at my wrist, got my guitar, this rockstar clock. Fuck game across the Jordan, and I'm sound
get this video out the way. Yeah, man. Shout out to the Shai Gilgeous. Lock in with the Shai Gilgeous, man. Grip A1. Traction. I should say traction A1. Comfortability A1. Structure A1. Support. This is A1. What else? Midsole. They did their thing with the midsoles and the insoles. Converse did their thing with this tongue right here. Just keep you in. Feel guard. Get these. They almost like Kyrie's, if you can tell. Sides come up on the grip side. What is this, Nike? This is Arizona. Feel great. True to size. Do not go down or do not go up. Do you hear me? True to size for sure. You ain't even gotta break these in. These comfortable off back. When you got these on your feet, everybody gonna be like, oh, them the yeah. This right here. Look at this way you ain't just bouncing on straight wood or concrete. You got some type of support down there. What else? Other than that, man, the shoe was great. Shoe was great, man. You really can't get these nowhere. Can't find them nowhere. So I'm glad I got them when I did. I got them like a year ago or something like that. The insole feels good, man. And they're a different type of shoe. They're a different looking shoe. And Converse did their thing with this. It's not no regular Converse, man. Converse did their thing with this. Other than that, bro, get your size. Do not go up and do not go down. You probably go up, but true to size for sure. Out of this shoe, I give this shoe a 9 because it is a little hard back here. Give this shoe a 9 out of 10. They ain't like the Kyrie's, but they hard. Stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We got more videos, more shoe reviews coming soon. We got the LeBrons coming soon, man. Stay tuned, yeah.
Oh my God.